Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.